Well, hello, Innovation Hour kids. I hope this finds everyone doing well today, and I hope you guys are all excited to embark on this new journey with me. This is an introductory screencast. We're going to talk about how we're going to handle attendance for the class, your assignments, the class format, and the contact information. So, here we go. First off, welcome to phase 2 of Innovation Hour. I have missed you all a lot, and I am looking forward to seeing you guys again. I hope that we are able to actually get together face to face again very soon, but until then, I guess this will have to do. So I truly do miss you all, and I do hope we get to see each other again soon. But for now, we have a new vision of learning that I will be able to connect with you in this way, and my goal with this presentation is to fill you in on some of the details about how this class is going to run now. So this is the class schedule. You do need to make contact with me on a weekly basis. This does not mean that you need to make contact with me every day, and it doesn't mean that you need to attend class from 12 to 12:30 on Zoom every day. Contact can simply mean you Zoomed live with me, you turned in your assignment, or you emailed me at some point. So the point of contact is basically it's your convenience, what works best for your schedule. Attendance. Our scheduled time for class is from 12 to 12:30 on Monday through Friday, so I will be available on Zoom live during those times. This meeting time is optional, and there will not be official lessons through Zoom. I will be posting screencasts like this to be your lessons that you guys can watch at your own convenience. The Zoom will be available for you guys where I can answer questions live during this time. You guys can also share screens with me and ask questions and things if you would like. It's a time that I can help you at your discretion. So you will also receive attendance credit for submitting assignments on a weekly basis, and more details are to come on what those assignments will look like. But email is another way that you guys can gain attendance credit. So anytime you email me, I will document that as a making contact point. Assignments. I will load all assignments for the week on Monday on Google Classroom, and they will be due in your Google site by 2 p.m. on Friday. There will still be a weekly blog that you guys will create on your Google site. And in order to meet the course requirements, our projects must go on. However, they are going to have to take a slightly different turn now due to the fact that most students cannot access the resources that they need because they are at school. So this different twist will involve a 30-day challenge, and we will talk more about that in your first week screencast. So the class format. There will be a new screencast posted every Monday in Classroom, and that will explain the task for the week. Any supportive materials will also be posted in Classroom to help you achieve those weekly goals. I will be live on Zoom Monday through Friday from 12 to 12:30 to answer any questions or concerns that you have, and you can also email me and I will respond to you within 24 hours. So this is our outline for the remainder of the year. We're going to start off with this week with identifying your topic for the 30-day challenge. More details about this are available once again in the weekly screencast, but then next week you're going to actually begin carrying out your 30-day challenge. How do you turn in your work? Same as we've done all semester. You're going to turn it in through Google Sites. We're going to continue building the same exact site that you started during the first half, during third quarter, basically. So we are building your digital portfolio and just continue with that same site that we've already created. Contact information is in Zoom. There is the link in Google Classroom that you can visit me from 12 to 12:30 live. You can also email me at this email address. Virtual Learning District Hotlines. This is information that you guys, if you're having any problems, feel free to contact these people. These are the people that are in charge, so feel free to do that. And then for a little fun, we are having a virtual Spirit Week. So if you guys want to look through these and you want to participate, you can submit your pictures to communications@knr8.net or through Facebook Messenger to the district page. And Mrs. Allen would also like pictures for the yearbook, so send them to her. So guys, I want you to know we're going to work through this together. Yes, you are going to have requirements for the course, but they are changing slightly. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Drop in and see me on Zoom, 12 to 12:30, Monday through Friday, or send me an email. Guys, we can do this, and I will talk to you later.